Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's see about list in Python. So what is list? List is like arrays. If you compare other programming language like C, array, list is like a array. Array is a sequence of values stored in a particular memory. It is called list. So list is usually a comma separated values or items between a square braces. So this will be a square braces. If you want to have any values inside it, so you should use a comma as a separator. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So these are so this is a sample list. So it allows you to add a value, delete a value, process elements, insert a value, count those values, how many values are duplicated, and index each values and extend it. So these are some possible ways using this. So it is versatile data type in Python. So using this we can do lot of things. So and also list is mutable. Last tutorial we have seen what is immutable. Today let's see what is mutable. So immutable is it is defined. Memory is defined for the particular value. We can't change it. But here it is mutable. We can change since we have so many functions like methods like append, extend, and insert in a list. So this list will be stored in a particular locations. The values get changes. So list is the immutable. Let's see practically how it's going to work. In practical session, we'll cover empty list with values, with empty list, then accessing elements, indexing, negative index. What is negative index? And slicing. There are some operations and methods. Let's quickly jump into practical. So here we see there is a list I declared here. It's an empty list. I'm trying to print it here. Let me comment this section and printing here. Did you see this? This is an empty list which has no value in it, only just a square braces, square bracket. So I'm trying to fill some value inside it. I'm just saying my list will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that I'm printing it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My value of the list is 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to access a particular value? How to access a particular value from a list? So last video we have seen what is indexing. Suppose if I have a variable with the value called Sandy, 0 will be my first index. Always in programming, it starts with 0 and goes on like this. So if you see here list 1, 2, 3, 4. So my index will be like this. So 1 will have zeroth index. Zeroth index will be 1 and first index will be 2, second index will be 3, third index will be 4. Like this it goes on. So as a programmer you should know always index will start from 0. So if I give here zeroth index, obviously it will try to print you the first value of the list. Let me try to print here. Hope you see this is first value of the print. And also forgot to write a negative index here. There is a negative index. What is negative index? What is negative numbers? First you should know what is negative numbers. So 45, this is a positive number. 100 is a positive number. Suppose what is negative numbers? Minus 45. That is called negative numbers. So in numerically we are saying negative numbers like that. In Python we have negative index. So here there is a value called 1, 2, 3, 4. These are positive index. Zeroth index, first index, second index, third index. These are positive index. If you start from left to right, it is a positive index. Okay, I'm writing this, top 0, comma 1, comma 2, 3. So this is like this. If you are doing a negative index, so it will start from no right to left. the last to the first. So my 4 will be my first index. It means minus 1 index. Okay. So 3 will be my second index, minus 2 index. Okay, negative in negative index. And minus 3 will be my 2. And minus 4 will be my first value. Hope this makes very clear, right? So fourth will be minus 1 negative index. If you want a positive index, it should be 3. So let me try to print some value. Hope you'll be understanding this. See this. I'm going to take my fourth value. I want to print my fourth value. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say 3. So this is my positive index. I'm going to print my negative index. Same value from minus 1. See this. Got it? 4 and 4. From the beginning, if you come it is positive index, so I am giving of 3 indexing. If you want a negative index, if you give minus 1, the same value. So this is my negative index. Mainly in Python we use negative index. Okay. This is slicing. We have seen last video how to do slicing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my value. So zeroth index and third, this one will be my first index. Let me try to print here. Hope you guys understood. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will be my slicing value. Okay. Slicing value will always, last video I explained you. If you're not clear, I can go to string video and you can see those explanation. And let's see. These are some operations in list, in, not in. Let me explain you couple of thing. Here I'm saying empty list. This is my value of empty list. I'm saying oh, 1 in empty list. See this? I'm getting true. 5 in empty list. So these are some operation where you can check 10 not in empty list. So which gives true, which is not in actually in the list. So these are some operations, and we can take length of your list, and you can take a minimum value from the list, maximum value from the list. So like this we can take. And we have loops also, using, since list is iterable, so you can do loops using for loop syntax. When looping concepts, I'll tell you. For I'm saying each in empty list, print each. I'm just providing like this. Did you see this? I got a value 1, 2, 3, 4. It tries to print me the value. Hope this is printing value. Okay. Let's see about some methods as of now. There are many methods apart from this. Hope you can go through it. Let's see some of the methods. No, already I have written here. Let's see how it is working. See this, I have empty list. This is my value. So this is my value. I'm trying to append a value at last. So I'm saying my 2. 2 is my value. I'm trying to append it at the last. Let me comment this and show you. You got it? This is my list, earlier list. So it got appended with new value. Okay. So what is the extend here? So what extend does? So extend will be an iterable. So this argument is always an iterable. This should be a list, or this should be iterable. This should not be a single value. So it will not take. argument must be a list or no iteratable. I am having here 10 and 20 will be my iteratable. So let's I'm trying to append, it means I'm trying to extend my list with the existing list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and already we have appended 2. Now it will append with extend my list with 10 and 20. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10 and 20. This got extended using extend method. And we have indexing. Let me all take it off, explain it. This will be providing you with the index of the value. I'm passing a value here. I'm saying my value is 1. So this is my list. I'm saying my value is 1. So this index method will give you what is my index. Actually, my value is located on which index? Is it 0th index or 20th index or 100th index? So it will give you my which index I am in. And also this count method will give you how many number of entries are available in the list. Suppose it may be let me extend this, hope you will, okay. So I'm giving you 2. So when it appends, it will give you double 2. Already there is a 2 in a value and it will give you 2 entries in this. And insert, first argument will be your index, which index you want to insert a value. Second will be your value. And first will be your index, which index you want to insert the particular value. Let me print all this. Hope you see this. This will be my appending and this will be my extend, and this is my index. My 1 is at a zeroth index, and 2 will be my entries count. So I'm saying you find me how many 2's are exist in this list, empty list called empty list. I'm saying 1 and 2 is my 2 entries are available in this list. If I say how many 10's are available in this list, so it will give you 1. 110 is available in the list. And I'm saying you to insert some value at the 0th index, so it got inserted. And apart from that, we have many functions like clear, copy, count we have seen. Clear, copy, pop will do the last value. If you mention the index, it removes the index value. Remove, reverse will reverse the order of the list. Sorting. So there are couple of functions you can practice personally on your laptops. Hope this video is good. Let's catch up in next video. If you have any queries, comment on the below section, comment section. Uh, okay, subscribe. Thank you guys.